Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It is a foggy Monday morning, November 25th, and we're in the garden to clean out my GreenStalk planter with the stuff that is currently in it and plant the remaining Greasy Collard greens into it. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Okay, here's my green stalk that is located where you see it at. We're going to move it from here and place it behind my U-shaped raised bed. And then we're going to plant the Greasy Collards into it. So we have relocated the green stalk in front of or near the U-shaped bed. And I have it on a base where I can rotate it. And it can be moved, although not very easily, but it can be moved if necessary. So these are the Greasy Collards that I was referring to. And I think I have enough for maybe 1.5 tiers. So the top 2 tiers of this. The turnips that I had that were up here on the other side, I put those on the bottom, and I also put more soil around them. So hopefully they will form a turnip. So all I'm going to do here is to take these very leggy collards out of this cell. And I'm going to separate them without damaging the roots or anything like that. So this is what we should have. There's the root ball. And all I'm going to do is, using my index and middle finger, dig a hole and try to plant these as deep as I can so that that legginess is taken care of. So we have one that we just planted, and we're going to do the same thing here. And another one here as the squirrels run by in front of me. See, lots of roots on this one. And last one for the top row. And there we go. We have 6 in the top row. And let's move to the second row. And this is the last one. So we did 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10 greasy collards in here, which means that we have 2 on the second row, 2 open spaces, and 6 open spaces on the third one. Now, all I'm going to do now is to water them in. I'm going to water each pocket individually, and then I'm going to put some water in the base here. So we got the GreenStalk in its new home, and we got the Greasy Collards planted in their new home. So all in all, it's been a productive morning so far. I wanted to move the GreenStalk from where it was to here so that initially when I laid out the plans for my garden, I wanted to have 3 feet of walking space between each raised bed over there. And with the GreenStalk being there, obviously it wasn't that way. So I wanted to move it away from over there and put it in an area where it's still in the garden, but I have my walkways through. And for the most part, I've tried to maintain that 3-foot walkway. The reason for it being 3 feet, in case I need to bring the cart out, I can put it in between the beds and I can still manage what I need to do. But overall, I'm happy with what we got done today. If you enjoyed the video, by all means, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all. You will be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my videos, your family and friends will also. I'm trying to grow my channel membership as well. So if you haven't subscribed or become a member of my channel rather, think about doing so. Approximately 3 to 4 times a month, I will be posting member-only videos, and I will be posting member-only comments in the community section, and I will also have free seed giveaways, contests, and stuff like that. So it's a way to interact with me on a more personal level, I suppose you can say that, and think about doing so. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Have a good day and see you in the next one.